Ready to jump into the world of Instagram and share your life with friends, family, and the world. First things first, if you haven't already, download the Instagram app from your app store. Whether you're on an iPhone or an Android device, just search for Instagram and tap install. Once it's downloaded, open the app. You'll see options to log in or create a new account. Since we're making a new one, tap create new account. Instagram will ask for your phone number or email address. Choose whichever you prefer. For this tutorial, we'll use email. Type in your email address and tap next. Now, create a strong password. Make sure it's something you can remember but hard for others to guess. Then, type in your full name. Once you've filled in both fields, tap next. Next, enter your date of birth. This helps Instagram personalize your experience. Don't worry, it's not publicly visible unless you choose to share it. Select your birth date and tap next. Instagram will automatically generate a username for you. If you like it, great. If not, tap change username and choose something that reflects your personality or brand. Once you're happy, tap next. Instagram will suggest connecting with your phone contacts or Facebook friends. You can do this now or skip it for later. We'll skip it for now by tapping the skip button. Congratulations! You've successfully created your Instagram account. Be sure to allow notifications so you don't miss out on updates. Now you can start exploring, following other accounts, and sharing your own amazing content. Happy Instagramming!